guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post.
Oh my God! Wow!
So today I will be sharing 3 online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home wherever you are. So whether you're in Jamaica, Canada, USA, wherever you are, you can do it. This ain't First one on my list is Humanatic. I did it, my sister did it, my mom and my cousin, they are currently doing it. And the thing I love most about Humanatic is that you do not need any experience, and when you're signing up, there is not a fee charge. But what you do need is a verified PayPal account. And to verify your PayPal account, it's easy.
Okay.
All you need to do is link your bank account or your Visa card to your PayPal account, and that is verification. Simple, easy.
And
Let me explain a little about Humanatic for you. Humanatic is basically a website that is used to review phone calls. So what you will do is listen to the calls, and they will have a variety of answers that you can choose from. Once you have listened carefully, then you choose it and you will make your money that way. That's the way you will get to make your money. About the money now, it is not much, but once you have done a few calls, it will add up. So don't worry about not making $1 million right on the spot. Just think about doing your thing until it can reach up to $1 million. If you get what I mean. With that being said, you need to make sure that you are putting out effort. You are making time to review these calls, and you have patience. And trust me, it will pay off, and you will have your cash to do whatever you want, period. So that's it for Humanatic. I will include the link for PayPal and Humanatic in my description box below.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
The next one on my list is iWriter. So this one is for all my writers out there. It is basically writing articles from a list that is provided for you. The thing about this though is if they reject your article, then you won't get any money. But if they accept the article, they will pay you at the same time.
oh my God!
And that is how you make your money on iWriter. So what I think you should do is write as best as you can so you can make your money. Like Humanatic, you do not need any experience, nor do you have to pay any fee, but what you need is a verified PayPal account. The final one on my list is Rev. And with this, it is basically an online audio transcription and a video service. So you can either be a transcriber or a captioner. You will have to send them a sample of your work. So I am suggesting that you go ahead and nail that sampling so they can accept your work. Period.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What you will notice is that with these jobs, you do not need any experience, you do not pay any fee, and all you need is your verified PayPal account to sign up. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Bye guys. I said bye guys.